These are the elevators at City Furniture in Tamarac, Florida. Here's Harrison. And these are golden, either ThyssenKrupp or Dover impulses. It's this one that's here. Here's the indicator. Go up to 2. It's a Dover. Capacity 3,500 pounds. It's the indicator. And then certificate of operation. And then the phone. Alarm. This cab view. It's very nice. Appears to be semi-cement, although can't see anything. Look at yourself in the mirror. Hello. Go back down to 1. Wow. And this is a semi-gloss. Can't see anything past the wall though, which is weird. You're at 1 end and that's it.